Okay. Look, children, why did RTI Act was passed? This is the main question you have to ask yourself. Every citizen of the country should know. कभी कभी life में ये act का use आ जाएगा. आज नहीं तो कल. That boy is not listening. रोज listen नहीं करता है. इधर उधर देखो मत. He knows. Listen carefully. I told MCQ का कहानी ज़्यादा दिन चलेगा नहीं. MCQ will not help you anywhere. Please understand the concept. Let us please remember, RTI is used only to get information from government departments. Please remember that. Take down the point somewhere. RTI is used. I will share this PPT, don't worry, but main points have to be taken down. RTI is useful to get information from government department. It cannot be used for getting information from private department. Please remember that. Private individual, private company, you won't get the information. This is exclusively for government. Some girls are not listening. This is exclusively for government department. The question is, why did government pass this RTI Act? India means there was lot of secrecy. People does not know what the government is doing, what the government department is doing. We are not interested to know what Prime Minister Modi is doing in his free time. That is not our lookout, that is his personal life. But we are interested to know how many times he has traveled abroad during a particular year. That we are interested. Boys, that boy is not listening. I am getting irritated. आपके बाजू में बैठता है यहाँ. हाँ देखो देखो. Okay, no problem. My dear boy, you listen. Purpose is that one. I told how many times Prime Minister Modi went abroad. That is a part of RTI. Why? He is not going alone. He is going with a battalion of people. Minimum तो 20-25 लोग उसके साथ जाएगा. उससे ज़्यादा भी जाता है. So इतना लोगों का टिकट का expenditure, stay का arrangement, all this is borne by the government. So government का expenditure means we are paying the tax. It is our money. So we are interested. So this is the example of RTI. Any information where public money is involved, it will come under RTI. So RTI ka full form kya hai, children? Right to Information Act. You can make a project on this. Successful stories वगैरह textbook में भी दिया है. Very, very successful act. But remember, ministers are very clever. They will not come under this act. That way they have made this act. Minister ka many activities will not come under. What are the objectives of this act? कौन सा भी point clear नहीं होने पर बोलिए. What are the objective of this act? Greater transparency and functioning of government administration. मैंने लिखा है इधर transparency मतलब openness. Government department का functioning should be open to everybody. Transparent means open. Okay. And what should be open? Government administration. For example, BMC of Chembur. How much money did they spend for repairing the roads in, Lokhande Marg and Mangud? That can come under RTI. Because BMC is working under government, it's a government organization. Every money they spend, it require public, support, or it require public permission. So naturally, you can put an RTI. That girl, every day that girl is not listening. इधर उधर देखकर बैठने पर no meaning. We will call the parent. College में आने पर you will have to listen. इधर उधर देखने के लिए sit at home only. So here I told RTI का सबसे बड़ा achievement is this. It introduces transparency so that people know what the government is doing. Whoever is reading the newspaper, listening to news, or even watching YouTube video, you know that. हमारा government का Rafale deal, the purchasing of that gun, such a big controversy. India में government का government is purchasing gun, government is purchasing submarine, आर्मी के लिए, नेवी के लिए सबमरीन लेता है, गन लेता है, ये सब आरटीए में नहीं आएगा. What is it? 1 minute. उड़ाओ उधर से. Get up, both of you. आप and our friend. Both of you get up from there. आप दोनों उड़ो. इधर आओ, इधर आकर बैठो. सिर्फ एक ही मोबाइल यूज करते दोनों में एक साथ आओ. इधर आकर बैठो. Sit here. Now that girls are also quiet, you are also quiet. रोज इधर बैठो. So I told you government is purchasing the guns. दूसरा कंट्री से गवर्नमेंट इज परचेसिंग सबमरीन्स, पानी के नीचे, यू नो सबमरीन्स वगैरह, crores of rupees, 200 crore, 300 crore. इसका इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगा, कितना भी आरटीआई डालो. What is the reason? This information is affecting the national security. That is the reason. Suppose government is informing, we are purchasing, example, AK-47 gun from Israel. इतना गन लिया, इतना दिन ये अमाउंट में लिया, और बॉयज इधर उधर देखकर बैठने पर आई गेट इरिटेटेड. यू आर लिसनिंग. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन कभी बाहर नहीं आएगा. व्हाट इज द रीजन? चाइना को मालूम पड़ेगा इंडिया ने इतना AK-47 लिया है, ये कंट्री से लिया है, सो हम इससे भी बेटर क्वालिटी लेगा. सो टुमारो इफ इट यू नो लाइक वॉर हैपेंस, naturally it will be advantages for China. That is the reason national security के अंदर जो आता है आपको कभी भी पब्लिक में नहीं आएगा. But sorry to state it, that is the area where there is a maximum corruption. उधर corruption का reason क्या है? Corruption is government is getting lot of kickbacks. KICKBACKS, kickback. Kickback मतलब commission. Kickback का meaning है commission. So जो एक गन लेता है, सबमरीन लेता है, crores of rupees का है, बहुत सारा कमीशन मिलता है. इसलिए बोला पहले यू नो राजीव गांधी को, सोनिया गांधी को मिला, ये सब गॉड ओनली नोस वेदर इट इज राइट और नॉट. ओके, बीजेपी बोलेगा कांग्रेस को मिला, कांग्रेस बोलेगा बीजेपी को मिला, XYZ, बट वो इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर आएगा भी नहीं. बट जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन गेट इट थ्रू RTI. एग्जाम्पल, आई लॉस्ट माय रेशन कार्ड, लेट अस अज्यूम. So I have to apply for a duplicate ration card. So duplicate ration card में मैंने अप्लाई किया चेंबूर फाइनेंस का, वो रेशन ऑफिस के उधर. 1 महीना हो गया, हफ्ता भी नहीं, पता भी नहीं. रोज जाता है कि कल आओ परसों आओ, like that they are wasting the time. Then I can put an RTI. There are so many cases. Why my ration card is not issued? I say RTI डालो, within 2 days you will get your ration card. Because they become accountable, because they have to tell the reason why the ration card is not issued. They are saying that आपका information is complete नहीं है, then they have to inform you. They are not doing that. So ये सब matter के लिए you can put the RTO. So because this is coming under the government record, that is the reason. So RTI Act is for introducing greater transparency. Children, RTO अलग है, RTI अलग है. RTI is right to information. RTO road transport officer, गाड़ी का लाइसेंस वगैरह चेक करता है ना, वो लोग है RTO वाला. This is RTI. Okay. Informed citizenry. See that word. Citizenry का meaning में सामने लिखा है, देखो. Citizenry का meaning क्या है? Citizenship. Informed citizenship. When you are living in India, you should know about India. You should know about working of the government. Every time, मेरा घर में भी होता है, आपका घर में भी होगा. मैडम वो अमेरिका देखो ना, सिंगापुर देखो ना. सिंगापुर देखकर आपको क्या करने का, अमेरिका देखकर क्या करने का. So we should know about India. मैडम उधर कितना अच्छा है, उधर जाकर रहने पर मालूम पड़ेगा कितना अच्छा है करके. I love my country. इंडिया के जैसा कौन सा भी कंट्री नहीं है. What account में? The freedom that we are getting. So to know about the citizenship, as a citizen, मेरा right क्या है? Suppose that I am not getting my right. Of course, you can approach the authorities. So we should know the value of citizen. Citizenship is something very, very important. I'm telling you one interesting story, children. This has happened years before. All the newspaper meet has come. You might have heard about Bombay IIT. Powai के उधर एक institute है, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Powai में. World का number 3 है वो. Number 1 MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, then Stanford. Third is Bombay IIT. At par only it is very, very impossible to get admission. That will be the correct answer. उधर का एक student BTech किया, बाद में अमेरिका में जाकर MSB किया. He was working. So that time George Bush was the American president. किधर तो भी किधर FB में, Facebook में कुछ post आया. He made a comment. Then he was arrested. What was the reason? American rule के अनुसार you should not criticize the American president. You got no right to criticize it, especially those posts which are, affecting the government. So this fellow, something I liked it, FB में like वगैरह कुछ डालता होगा. Something he did it. And that boy is, even today, he is inside the prison. He has not come out. And he's from Bombay. Most unfortunate part is, he's the only son of the parent. Itna intelligent. What is the reason? They say that he has done something to insult the dignity of the American president, which is non-bailable according to our law. And the Indian parent, with great difficulty, and America में lawyer को appoint करना, पूरा Bombay में आपको बेचना पड़ेगा, because so expensive. Lawyer का 1 day का charge है $2,000. $2,000 means 1.5 lakhs. Okay, very, very expensive. And that parent requested to Indian embassy, they requested to the president, nothing doing. And you can imagine, and America ka jail kaisa hai, children? It is not like a normal jail. It is inside the, sea. Sea ke beach mein, they will make the, jail. Udhar sunlight bhi nahi milega. Hawa bhi nahi hoga. Caribbean island ke beach mein they make the prison. Impossible. You will never come out of it. My point is, then you will understand I love India. Another example I am telling you, Gulf country. Gulf country is excellent for their living and everything. So many Indians are working. So Ramzan ka period mein, one journalist, kuch sun ka kuch picture draw kiya and he made a cartoon. That cartoon was against the Islamic law. Islamic law ka wo bhi Ramzan ka period. Highly precious period hai. Wo period par it is not very complicated. Simply banaya. And that journalist was arrested. And he never came out of the prison. And you know that their rules are so stringent, you will never come out. So what I am telling is, citizen को अपना citizenship के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए. Bite करके ऐसा ही पैर के ऊपर पैर डाल कर कौन सा country है मैडम, क्या country है? हमारा country में defect है. Due to what reason? Because of our huge population. इतना बड़ा population को 132 plus crore को satisfy karna, it is not an easy joke. Indian population is double the size of population of USA, UK, Canada, and Australia. That is the Indian population. And during the COVID period, maximum people died in US because government could not provide treatment to the people. The reason is what? America means that many number of doctors are not there. Number of people and number of doctors are less. So by the time doctors start attending the patient, most of the patients died. Even today, suppose that you have to take an appointment. You got a fracture of your leg. It should not happen. America में, India में तो तुरंत जाओ Zen hospital में admit करो. Immediately आपका जो करने का तो चालू करेगा. There it is not like that. You have to take the appointment. Appointment आपको मिल जाएगा 1 हफ्ते के बाद. Till that 1 week, you have to be at home and do the minimum treatment. Without that, America, the system is very slow. Treatment is excellent, but the system is having its own, the way of working. Similar story about England, Europe. इंडिया के जैसा कभी भी रात को नो डॉक करके डॉक्टर के उधर नहीं जा सकता है. They will not. They are having their own peculiar system. So what I'm telling, once we go out of the country, we know the value. So every citizen should know the value of your citizenship. That is the meaning of that. Third, देखो, improvement in accountability. Accountability means what? जिम्मेदारी. Accountability means responsibility. Government will know their responsibility because of this RTA. Earlier कैसा था? जैसा चाहिए ऐसा एमएलए अपना पैसा स्पेंड करेगा, एमपी अपना पैसा स्पेंड करेगा. Nobody knows. Today it is not like that. They know RTA will come. मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी के अगेंस्ट कितना आरटीआई डाला है, उसके वजह से क्या हो गया? मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी has improved. There were the period where after 5 months TY/BCom results were not declared. I am remembering. After 5 months TY/BCom results were not declared, and the poor students have to take admission after BCom. They lost the year because the result got declared very late. COVID भी नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था, normal period का बात करता है. Then many people started putting the RTI. RTI के ऊपर RTI. Finally, university started declaring the result in time. अभी 30 days के अंदर your result will be out. Similarly, revaluation. Student revaluation के लिए apply करेगा, वो time जाएगा. दूसरा KT का apply करने का time आएगा, वो KT apply करेगा, KT भी लिखेगा. सीधा तमाशा. And the student will pass in the KT. Then the revaluation का result आएगा. You had passed. So a student has written 2 times. Revaluation समझ में आया ना? You got less mark, so you want to recheck your paper. That is revaluation. So university में revalue के लिए apply करेगा. 3-4 months ऐसा ही time जाएगा. By the time next exam आएगा KT, the student is uncertain. पास हुआ या fail हुआ. So student will apply for ATKT. ATKT exam भी हो जाएगा. Then revaluation का result आएगा. You have passed. So by the time the student, कितना mental pressure है वो student को. अभी ऐसा नहीं होता है. Now everything is online. Within 1 week, within 10 days, you are getting the result. So my point is, it will make them more accountable. Because accountability is a must. Online classes, children remember, accountability is with you. घर में सोकर, चादर डालकर, वीडियो ऑन करके, you can listen. कोई भी आपके पीछे आकर देखेगा नहीं. Parents को भी एक लिमिट है. All have grown up. But you remember, if yes, that boy. So if you are not listening, if you are not attending carefully, please remember your subject knowledge will be very weak. And COVID will not guarantee you employment. At the time of employment, your subject knowledge will be checked. Madam, I got O grade. Who is bothering? When the question is asked, you are not able to, hello, get up. You only. That boy who is wearing pink color t-shirt. Come here. क्या टाइम पास करता है बैठकर? आएगा ना my dear. Attendance paper इतना important में तो link share करेगा. Attendance paper अपने आप आएगा. Don't run behind it. Now देखो. Reduction in corruption. I told you RTI Act के अनुसार no doubt corruption is reduced. पहले रेशन कार्ड जल्दी मिलने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता था? Under the table पैसा देना. Under the table पैसा देने पर जितना पैसा देता है उतना जल्दी रेशन कार्ड आएगा. अभी कुछ नहीं है, अपने आप आएगा. And Kerala is one of the state, almost all the government departments are working online. All the government departments. And every government office's name, there is a CCTV camera inside. So that they cannot become corrupt. But don't think that there is no corruption, but comparatively corruption has reduced. Then this act is applicable to all central government, state government and local government. Children, this act is applicable to all type of government. Let us start with local government, that is BMC. BMC, state government, Maharashtra, central government. Everywhere this act is applicable. For example, I want to know how many houses Mukesh Ambani has. I cannot put the RTA because it's a private matter. I can put an RTA. How much money Reliance Industry has put or spent during the COVID period for the public welfare. I can put an RTA because that is a common matter. Okay, so private matter ke liye I cannot put an RTA. Please remember that. All the government organization has to put all public information and the record in public domain. Public domain means website. Public domain means website. It is mandatory. आप कौन सा भी मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी का फिर भी उधर देखकर बैठे देखो, इधर देखकर बैठो. Look at me and sit. Attendance sheet 2 बार देगा, 1 बार नहीं, 2 बार. Listen. So central government, you want to get some information about Mumbai University. mu.ac.in में जाकर RTI देखो. You will get the information. कैसे अप्लाई करने का, किसको कॉन्टैक्ट करने का. एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इवन हमारा कॉलेज का वेबसाइट में भी आरटीआई का प्रोविजन है, बिकॉज आवर कॉलेज गेट्स फंड फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. सो एवरी कॉलेज, एवरी गवर्नमेंट, बीएमसी का देखो आरटीआई. मैडम उधर जाकर क्या देखेगा, किसको कॉन्टैक्ट करने का है, वो इंफॉर्मेशन तो मिल जाएगा. सो गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट अपने वेबसाइट में there is an RTI officer. You will come to know as we go further. How to apply, who is RTI officer, how many employees are there, every information आपको website में मिल जाएगा. That is the reason that आरोग्य सेतु ऐप देखो आप, हमारा वैक्सीनेशन का आरोग्य सेतु ऐप. अभी you are very well aware, आपका मोबाइल नंबर दो, गवर्नमेंट पोर्टल में मालूम पड़ता है, have you taken to vaccinate that girl? You are continuously talking. I have changed that voice place. Still you are not listening. I will send you out. That girl knows whom I am talking. I have changed the voice. They are very quiet here. Still you are not quiet. I told you simply coming to the class and wasting the time. My dear children, don't come. When you are attending the class, it should be useful to you and it should be useful to others. Time pass करने के लिए 2 साल घर में बैठा, दिन गिनकर बैठा था, कब कॉलेज आएगा, मेरा लाइफ कब नॉर्मल होगा करके. अभी भी प्रार्थना के वो ओमिक्रॉन सीरियस नहीं होना चाहिए. कैसा तो भी लाइफ नॉर्मल हो जाने पर यू विल कम बैक टू द रियल, यू नो, द डेली लाइफ. इधर आकर टाइम पास करने का नहीं. इट इज वेरी क्लियर. सो आई टोल्ड यू दैट गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, दे आर आंसरेबल. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट. Whether it is central government, whether it is state government, whether it is local government. That is the reason, if you want to get any information today, you can go to the website of the government department. BMC का website देखो, excellent website. M-ward में कितना कितना कौन सा एरिया आता है, हर एक एरिया में कितना पॉपुलेशन है, who is the officer in charge, so that what earlier कैसा था, information मिलता ही नहीं था. Today information is available. मैडम हमको क्या करने का, कभी लाइफ में ऐसा सिचुएशन आएगा, ये सब जरूरत पड़ेगा. That time you will realize, oh ये तो मालूम होने पर मैम जरूर अप्लाई करता था. That time you will be running for the information. Information must be provided within 30 days. Children, it is very important. Mr. X is applying for RTI. Okay, that RTI will come to the RTI officer. RTI officer 30 दिन के अंदर information देना चाहिए. Yes or no? No बोल ही नहीं सकता है गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Yes होने पर क्वेश्चन वाइज आंसर देना पड़ेगा with the help of the record. Suppose 30 days के अंदर नहीं देते हैं, then naturally question will be arised. 30 days is a reasonable period. You will ask, मैडम क्यों इतना टाइम दिया है, इंफॉर्मेशन तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा. कभी कभी very old information is asked, so the record has to be searched. That is why the 30 days time is given. Objective means that question will come. Within the RTI Act, information has to be provided with how many days? What is the answer? 30 days. एक month के अंदर आंसर देना चाहिए. All the public record all the public record has to be compulsorily maintained by public authorities. ये देखो सब जगह में you are seeing that word public. इधर public means government. आप and में नहीं आते हैं. Public means government. All the government record has to be compulsorily maintained by the government. There are very strict rules, government department में. You cannot destroy the record. 30 years होने दो, 40 years होने दो, you have to maintain the record. If somebody is working in the government department, you can ask them how they are maintaining the record. Every year का end में पूरा record bind करके, numbering डालकर, index करके रखेगा. So that 2010 का record चाहिए पर there is a record room. वो record room में जाने पर बराबर record मिल जाएगा. So all the records have to be maintained. Then next point क्या है देखो, all the records have to be computerized. Modern world you have to put the records online. Madam online में कैसा डालेगा? Take the scan copy, put it in the online record. So that you cannot say that पानी आ गया, record खराब हो गया. All the records have to be online. I hope young children might have heard, otherwise you have to hear. There is something known as DigiLocker. Very good. At least you have heard it. I'm happy. DigiLocker, all the girls you have to hear. Boys also. DigiLocker क्या है? Digital locker. So आपका driving license, passport, everything can be put it in the DigiLocker. Okay. उसका advantage क्या है? Even if the original passport is lost, you don't have to worry. DigiLocker is managed by the government. So you can show that. License. So DigiLocker में होने पर whenever you are traveling, you can just show that. That means government is going for digitalizing the records. And we are very well aware COVID got so many negative points. One plus point is that digitalization is becoming faster. Today, you see that you yourself are becoming more and more, digital. Earlier, you were finding it difficult how to open the Zoom. Zoom ही किधर है मैडम मालूम नहीं है. आप बोलते हैं Zoom वो ढूंढ कर ही मिलता नहीं है. बाद में Zoom मिल गया. बाद में you learn how to share the screen. Examination का time you are facing the problem. You were sharing the screen. Then we are learning how to record. Then how to put it in the YouTube. So then you are also learning Google Classroom में कैसा आएगा. So everybody is learning. And on this online transaction you learned. Because 2-3 months was a complete lockdown period. So घर में बैठकर people started using online transaction. So digitalization, what is the advantage? The records become handy. That is the advantage. Within 120 days after passing of the act, government organization should publish. 2015 में RTA Act was passed. 120 days time was given. That means 4 months. 4 months के अंदर government क्या करना चाहिए? Government organization should publish particulars of the organization. अपना organization का particulars. What do you mean by particulars? When this college was established? Okay, how many staff are there? What is the qualification of the staff? Okay, what is the working hour of the library? Suppose a student wants to come and make use of the library. If he is telephoning, nobody will pick the phone. So at least website on a per you can search it. Library timing. Okay, so you can come at that period. So all the information of the organization should be put it in the website. Name, designation, and particulars of public information officer. Children, public information officer means RTA officer. Go there. Public information officer means RTA officer. I'm talking about our college because our college is an aided college. Every organization, there should be one RTA officer. RTA officer को मदद करने के लिए there should be a clerk. Public information officer means RTA officer. RTA officer. हमारा college में I am the RTA officer. Years together. That's why it is very comfortable for me since I am dealing with this. RTA officer and there will be somebody from the office because मेरे को record चाहिए. Okay. And so there is one RTA officer RTI ऑफिसर के ऊपर there is an appellate officer. अब बाद में देखेगा appellate, APPELATE, appellate officer. मेरे ऊपर RTI officer के above the RTI officer there is an appellate officer. College में who is appellate officer? Principal. Principal is appellate officer. Because when I cannot give some information, or I had given the information but you are not happy, so you can approach the appellate officer. Appellate officer information deta hai, then also you are not happy. Then you can go to state RTI. There is a state, right to information officer. That officer will involve. Many times what happens, for example, you want to know what is the student strength of Narayan Guru in BCom during the last 10 years. You are doing some research. दूसरा कुछ काम के लिए नहीं, आप एक research करते हैं. So Narayan Guru में BCom में last 10 years में how many students have registered, how many have written the exam, how many have passed. You can put an RTI. So I have to give the information. That is why 1 month period. Because a 10-year का information 1 minute में मिलेगा नहीं. But you are not happy. Then you can approach the higher authorities, appellate authorities. He will also take 30 days. एक ही problem वही आती है, एक का time थोड़ा ज़्यादा. And everybody will give the information only on the 29th day. For your information, फटाफट आपको information नहीं मिलेगा. 1 month का थोड़ा आगे भी जाएगा. Okay, so we are quickly winding up. RTI का full form क्या है? Very good children. Right to Information Act, RTI. It is applicable to whom? All government organization. How many types of government are there with us? Local, state, central government. Good children. Local, state, and central government. Why did RTI has been passed? To increase the accountability of the government. And within how many days RTI information should be given? Very good. And every organization means there should be an RTI officer, right? Answer is not over, but attendance again, I am stopping the